Mutter the Parrot. Jan had a gray parrot. His name was Mutter because he talked a lot. Jan kept him in a cage. She used a spoon to keep the door closed. Mutter turned his head and looked at it. "He doesn't like being locked in," Jan said to her mom. Mutter pulled at the spoon. It fell onto the floor. Mom put a lock on the cage. Mutter made a fuss, so Mom took the lock off. "I told you he doesn't like being locked in," said Jan. So Mom held Mutter while Dad cut the feathers on his wings. Mutter couldn't fly away now. The next morning, Mutter hopped out of his cage. He wobbled over to the stairs. He climbed up the stairs. Mutter wobbled into Mom and Dad's bedroom. He climbed up and jumped onto Dad. He tugged on Dad's mustache. "Ah!" Dad yelled. "That's for cutting his feathers," laughed Mom. "That hurt," said Dad, rubbing his mustache. Mom went to have a shower. Mutter tapped on the shower door with his beak. He began to flutter and mutter. Mom opened the door and he hopped in. He lifted his wings to wash them. When Mom got out of the shower, Mutter did too. He sat on the table and fluttered and muttered. Mom pointed the hairdryer at him. He opened his wings to dry them. When Mom went downstairs, Mutter went too. Dad and Jan were making toast. "Mutter wants toast," said Jan. "He thinks he's a person." She put a stool beside the table. Mom gave Mutter some toast. He turned his head and looked at it. "Mutter, Mutter, Mutter," he said. "He's saying he likes it with butter," laughed Jan.